So I just upload this picture, a picture here, and this is the resolution I'm going to use. I could just make a new resolution, but I'm not going to really do that right now. But right now, I'm just going to put something over it. Now, we're going to go on Google, and we're going to get some images, some random background.
We'll get random background from the Google. Let's see here. We'll get this one. We'll get this one. We'll save that.
If you go on Google for backgrounds, you should just stay on Google or safe websites. Make sure this website is safe before you download a picture from it. Now, here's what I usually do. This is two things you can do. You can get a tiger peg. Now, what's a peg? A peg is basically an image with no background on it. It's transparent when you download it. So you don't have to do any other stuff. For this video, we're going to get a random tiger. I will teach you something about it. We're going to get this tiger right here. Banana. Just a random peg of a banana. Just to use. Now we got some images to use. Now we're gonna get find it. Now you can make fonts like letters, like the text. You can get font images stuff. Now these are two of the websites I use for making fonts or making text for my videos. Freefonts.com and this, I forgot what it is, but we can go check this out and check this out. Cooltext.com. They have a lot of different fonts you can use and like styles to make logos and stuff like that. So does this. So you just do things, but that's not really part of the video. But I'm gonna show you mostly this one. So we're gonna go on here. We'll look for fonts. We're gonna go all caps for this one, and we will use the Star Wars font for this. Now, everything on here we have different styles we can use to represent the Star Wars font. I'm gonna go with this one. This is the main one I use. And you just text what you want on there. We go to the logo. Now we're going to go change the color of this. We're gonna make it, we're gonna make it red. Red pops up, makes things pop. Making it red is pretty good idea. A little too dark, a little higher. And we create the logo just like that, basically. And we download it. Now we got pretty much everything we need to make our thumbnail. So let me show you what we're going to do. So we got our stuff from the folder, pictures, and we're going to just do. Now first we go on here. Now this is the toolbox, and we're going to use the toolbox for a plethora of different stuff we're going to do on here. So you have different tools here that you guys can use in the toolbox. This one is free select tool, fuzzy select, this. They all do different stuff, but for the most part, the main ones you probably most likely going to use is this, and this sometimes. You can kind of use all of them, but like, okay, what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste this. Now you press right click on your mouse and you copy this, and we'll go on here, we're going to paste it right here. That's what I usually do, but you don't have to do it like that. Technically, you can just make a new thing and it will give you the option to make the resolution whatever you want it to be. So we don't even have to do stuff like that. But that's what I do, because it's just a pattern. Yeah. So we do that. We fit it into the background. Just like that. Now we got this interesting, cool background. Now we got the tiger. Now the tiger will do something. We'll go do that. Do this because I want to do something with this tiger. I'm gonna make that real quick. Okay, so with the tiger, we'll go in a little closer. Maybe a little closer than that. Okay, we're really close to that tiger. So now we're going to get free select. For this, we're going to get the tiger because it's not pegged. So if you want a specific image, but it's not in the peg format, you want to do it yourself. So what we're going to do, this tiger is near some dirt, so I'm just going to do like that. Now, you have to be careful so you shouldn't get too much of the other background.
Just connect it again like that. Just keep on doing it. It's not that hard.
Okay, we got the tiger. Now we will copy that tiger and paste it here. Now what I want to do with this tiger is add like a little border around it. So let me do this. That get our free select, and then we're going to do this. We're going to get this tool and click that. Now I think I have to do something. What am I doing? Okay, that's the threshold. Put that up a little bit. Just double click this with the left mouse clicker, whatever it's called. We'll click that. Okay, we'll go on, click left mouse again, go on select, and you can go on, what am I looking at? Grow. And we'll put that at 5. You know what, we're gonna go 10. And we're gonna put it down to 3 then. And this is the last time. Okay, put it to 3. We'll go on paint bucket. Put it on white, and we'll go fill in it. Just like that. And we'll select, and put select. And we're just going to copy and paste this title. Just like that. Copy and paste it onto the thing. We're going to scale it to be larger. Yep, the cat is out of the bag. Okay, now we got this banana. And this banana, we don't have to do too much to this banana, but it does have a drop shadow. We would want to remove that. I would want to remove that, but with this peg, I don't have to do any extra editing and like trying to grab it. I just placed it as is, and I won't have to do too much. So we're just going to go over that drop shadow so we don't have it in the image. Oh, I went too far. Okay. And we copy and paste that. Now we got this big banana. I'm going to use this. This tool makes you turn stuff. So you're just going to turn it. I'm going to turn it like that. And this tool just flips it around. You're going to flip it. Move it right here. Might want to do something else. I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, now we're gonna get that arrow. On this arrow, so we have this background again, and it's like, I guess it was a fake peg kind of. So we're gonna just copy and paste that. Using that, see, using that tool, we can just get what we want. Now, we don't have the red part, but we can just fill it in with some paint, so it's not that crazy. That's interesting. I think it does something else. I'm just gonna colorize it then. Make it light. Now we got that. Now we got an arrow. It's not what we wanted at first, but you know, I made do what I was doing. Okay, now we're gonna get the text image. With that text image, we're gonna get copy and paste it. And there we have a thumbnail, just like that. It wasn't really that hard, so now we have a thumbnail.